Visit your local Total Wireless store today. Wireless, we're totally with you. Actual speeds may vary. For data management practices, see TotalWireless.com. It's fine.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system. Our Ambulance Ministry for Richmond, Texas, or Ambulance Ministry for 8-year-old child lasting for 30 years. Call 911 immediately.
That's really freaking at Richmond. You have got the EAS report to the Pentagon on here to Fort County. You have Texas Department of Report with 60. The ambulance ministry freaking it.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system. We activate the ambulance system at the request of the Fulton County Sheriff's Office. Our ambulance driver has been for missing child to Wynabaski, 8-year-old male. He was last seen around 4:30 a.m. on the 1900 block from General Lake Drive. The Fulton County Sheriff's Office describes Wynabaski as 5 inches tall, the winter box, black boy with black hair and brown eyes, who weighs 35 pounds. He last seen wearing a purple shirt, according to authorities. The abduction of the child is to be issued of the endangered, who last seen wearing around today of 4 a.m. in the night. If you have any information regarding this child abduction, please contact the Fulton County Sheriff's Office at 281-341-4665 or call 911.
So will you freaking do it by now? Okay. It's so good, Joe. This is nothing about time. This is nothing about time. Look. What issue? This one.
Scattered thunderstorms. National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 648, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Suffolk, New York, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and Long Island South Shore bays from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Fire Island Inlet, Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Long Island South Shore Bays until 8 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Great South Bay, moving south at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 30 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will be near Great South Bay around 6:40 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, large hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Oh, good. Freaking. But we knew. When I said Carter. What said Carter do? But we did what say Carter.
Oh, freaking. That was the legend moment. That was freaking lit.